what does the Hippocratic Oath say? First, do no harm. We have an analysis of 225 peer-reviewed research papers that show lecturing is actually doing harm to students, right? So if you now use lecture to do experiments on learning, that's the equivalent of a doctor knowing that a drug is going to hurt somebody and still administering the drug anyways, right? And this gets into the idea of a novice teacher. The reason that people teach using lecture is not because they know it does harm. In fact, they are completely blind. They are willfully blind, not on purpose. They just, and the reason why I say willfully is these are some of the smartest people in the world. These people know how to learn. How is it that they get paid to be professional educators and they can't read lecture notes on how learning works? Well, that's a system of incentives that's designed to propagate a broken learning environment. But the point of this thing, and there's tons of these like this. That's why I wanted to expose you guys super early in your traditional thing. So the last thing, I'll shut up on this, but instead of using lecture as a control in experiments, it may be more productive to focus on what we call second generation research, using advances in educational psychology and cognitive science to inspire changes in course design, then testing hypotheses about which type of acting learning is most appropriate and efficient for certain topics and student populations. Well, guess what this is designed to do for you?